Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another exciting tutorial with UXMate. Today we're going to learn how to export a transparent video from Figma using a plugin. So I have already created a sample loading animation here, which you can see, which is pretty straightforward. We already have lots of tutorials on the channel for creating loading animations and all other types of animations inside Figma. So you can refer the whole playlist on the Smart Animate and the whole playlist on the Figma tutorials on the channel. But yeah, today we are going to learn how to export the animations which we have created in the components and export them as a Lottie animation, as a MOV, or as a MP4 video. Okay, so first of all, let me quickly create a frame. So I'll create a frame roughly around same size of my animation. So it is near about 300 by 300 pixels. So let's do it 300 by 300 pixels. Okay, I'll rename this animation. I'll bring the variant of my loading animation component to the frame. I'll just align it to the middle. As we want to create a transparent animation, we just need to remove the fill of this frame. So I'm going to remove this, so you can just hide it. And now we are going to add a starting point to this frame, which is starting point of our prototype. So let's give it a starting point and let's give it a name, loading animation. Okay, I'll just show you how does this animation looks. Okay, so this is very simple, straightforward animation. Well, if you are first time on the channel, make sure you are already subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it, because if you're not doing that, then you're going to miss a lot of exciting content with our future uploads. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. Okay, haven't you liked it yet? Now first do it, then we'll move forward. Okay, I hope you have already liked it. Thanks for liking this video. Well, now let's jump to the next part where we are going to use the Lottie animation plugin. So I'll go to the plugin sections. You can go to the plugins. I have already recently used it, so it is there itself. But you can search LOTTIE Lottie files, and you can open it. By the way, guys, don't forget to check plugins. We already have lots of awesome plugins built by UXMate, which you can use in Figma to streamline your workflows. I'll put the link of the plugins page in the description below. But yeah, now let's quickly open the Lottie plugin. Guys, you need to log into the Lottie account. It is free. You can just log in with your Google account, and you just need to log into the plugin to make sure you should be able to export it to MP4 or SVG or MOV. Okay, so now okay, this is, I guess our plugin is updated, no worries. And now there are two ways. You can select one frame and you can just click on this export to Lottie, or if you have created prototypes, you can simply select the flow starting point. Okay, so as we already created a loading animation starting point for this flow, I'm going to select this. As soon as you select, you can see it has started showing the preview of your animation. Okay, you can toggle this to see it on a white background, or you can change the background color if you want to see, or you can just look at it on a transparent grid. Now you'll be seeing there's this download option. So when you download this animation, it basically download as a Lottie JSON, which you can use in your projects, in your web projects, and it won't give you MP4 right here. So what you can do, you can save it to your workspace. Okay, and it automatically creates a project for you. So you can just create a new folder or project if you have a paid subscription of the Lottie. But if not, it will create a free project for you, so you can just select and save it on a free project. So let's save it there. Great, our animation is saved on the on the project. So now we can just go up here and you can click here, open in browser. Okay, so we have this browser opened by this plugin, and now you can see our animation is here. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can explore all these tools here. There's color palette. You can change the color palette, and that would automatically update your Lottie animations. And that's why it is the beauty of the Lottie plugin, or the Lottie animation, and that's why it is being everywhere used in the web. So no worries, now we have this Lottie ready. Okay, now we need to download this as a video. So to do that, you can just click on this download button, or by default it is there. Now you can see there's handoff, which is basically for the developers. You can export this on a CDN, and then developers can use it in their projects. But as of now, we are just going to look at the download option. Now you can see there are lots of download options. This is optimized Lottie, which probably is more smaller than the normal .lottie file. Okay, and then there's this JSON file, and then this is optimized JSON, and there's this Lottie JSON. Now if you scroll down, you can see all other formats which you can export this as a GIF, as a MP4, as a WebM video, or a MOV. So you can select any of these and you can download them right away. So when I select MOV, you can see my format is MOV. If I want a small or the original resolution, I can select whichever I want. And if you want custom size, definitely you need to subscribe to the plugin, but we don't need that as of now. So I can just select the original, okay, and I'll just export it. Now it is preparing the animation, and it will export and download it. Now you can see I have successfully downloaded the animation. So let me just open it and show it to you. Here it is, our exported MOV Lottie animation ready. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this video, and to keep watching and keep learning such amazing things, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to write down in the comments if you really enjoyed this video or not. So yeah, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.